Hey everyone, so I'm going to the pool, and yesterday night our whole family watched the show. It's Undercover Billionaire, and it actually premiered yesterday, so it was the first episode ever, and it was so good. It's basically about a billionaire goes undercover in a new town and he tries to make $1 million business in 90 days, and it's so cool because he only starts with $100 and like a truck. That's basically it, and he can't use his contacts or his money. It's super interesting, but there's only the first episode. I wanted to keep watching, but it airs next week, next Tuesday again. Progress, I'm telling you, because he could not dive before. So I bought this new shirt a few days ago. Really nice color. Who's Tanner? She's burnt. We're at a pier to watch some dolphins.
I remember how you said that sometimes it gets just a little hard being home. The sound stuck in my bed and memories in my head.
I really want to go kayaking today, so we're gonna ask for those.
Shut up.
It's a race, and I just wanted to let you know that we won, even if you can't really paddle that well. No, it was good. Not the breath. Oh my god. Some battle wounds. Oh, you can't see. Battle wounds. High five. It was so hot at the beach today, and we went kayaking, so that was awesome. My brother and I went, and then my dad and sister went, and then they also went together. My brother really enjoyed our swimming lesson.
Permission. Pétasse.
How'd you enjoy your swimming lesson?
Shut up.
My sister is saving a bug. Good morning. So we're going to play tennis. It's 9:30 in the morning. I swear I start these vlogs earlier and earlier, but I just want to make the most of summer. It's crazy how fast summer has gone by. Today we're just going to the beach. I honestly love going to the beach. I could do that every single day. I never get tired of it. When I come home, I also want to go to the beach with my friends. Hopefully they're down. Every single day is closer to school, but it's okay. Still positive. School is fun. I get to see my friends. I'm gonna play with my mom first.
It was late, I dropped you home cause we were sober.
Not even an hour of playing tennis and I'm like this. I just put water on my face so it's not all sweat, but it's such a good workout. I'm so sweaty. After you go, let's see if I can get iced coffee from this place.
Said, well, why don't you stay? I said, love, it's just a little late for you to be seeing me this way.
I came to the beach by myself. I mean, my parents are on a walk, but right now I'm by myself, so hopefully I can make some friends.
High and our bodies low, blood rush in a hazy glow.
So I'm by myself, like literally the beach is almost empty, and it's great. I've been doing some like deep thinking about school and like life and the future and stuff, and it's so peaceful with the waves. Hey guys, so since I'm alone on this beach, I was doing a lot of reflecting and just thinking about my future. I don't know, I want to talk to someone, but I didn't have anyone to talk to, so here I am. So basically where I'm from, like the most common thing to do after high school is to go to college and graduate in 4 years. If you graduate in 4 years, that means that you've done everything perfectly and you've known like what you wanted to major in and everything since the start. Since the start, my mom was always like, oh, your goal is to finish and graduate in 4 years and then apply to med school because that's what I want to do. And like, yeah, that is my goal, but I don't want to rush anything. Before, when I was younger, I was like, oh, by the age of 25, I'll be married and I'll have a family and I'll already be a doctor. Like, okay, slow down, I'm 20 and like not ready for any of this. I was doing some reflecting because I was telling my mom how my friend got into medical school. He's only a year older than me. He only did 3 years of undergrad and applied there. And my mom's like, you know, like that's like the ideal thing to do. That's what you want. Everyone has their own path. You get to the end point. It really doesn't matter as long as you're happy and as long as you gain some experience. It's really like, I don't know, it inspired me because I go travel for next summer, and next summer is when most people take and write their MCAT. Some people that I know are writing it this summer, and I personally think that's super early, and I really learned to not compare to other people's paths because then that stresses me out, and no path is right. Ultimately, it's the one that you choose is right for you. So my mom was telling me that my goal is just to get into medical school, but I want to travel first and get experience from other people and have experiences that others may not have. I don't think there's a point in rushing anything, especially now that like I'm 20 and 20s are the best years of your life. So I don't know, a lot to think about. You should make yourself happy. Yeah, thanks for listening to my TED Talk. I'm just ranting, but yeah. I think some things might have cut out. I don't even know why, because of the volume or whatever. Basically what I'm trying to say is I don't want to just go through the 4 years and just do it because that's what everyone is doing. I want to make my experience unique so when I apply, I have something different about myself. It's like, don't rush anything because your parents want you to rush it. Enjoy life how you want it, and I think traveling is important because I get to learn stuff that I don't really necessarily learn in school. You gain so much from traveling that you can't gain just from staying in your hometown or whatever. I hope I got my message across that you have to do what you want to do, not what your parents want to do.
See, I keep my guard up in case you let me down. No, but you can't blame that I wasn't always around. See, I keep my guard up because
Good morning everyone, so it's my dad's birthday today, so it's going to be such a fun day. We're going to the pier to go hopefully see some dolphins, because last time we went, we saw some dolphins, but not super close.
no, but you can't blame that I wasn't always around. See, I keep my guard up because they were the ones run away.
We haven't seen a full dolphin yet, but some are jumping, so we're keeping watch.
Run away.
Nitro shots or whatever are super popular, and I just like tried a sample and I do not like it. It's too strong for me. It tastes like coffee. This is how much. I know, it's like, it's a small cup. Birthday drink. I'm gonna get these two for my cartilage and like the lobe piercings. They're like $5 total, so that's insane. We're at a buffet for my dad's birthday, and all I care about is sushi because I love sushi. Oh, there's this whole row of sushi. I am so happy right now. Sushi is my favorite food ever. This is what I got. Round one. Dessert. Cookies and cream.
Ma questo
Actually, quality ice cream.
è stupendo questo, per il prezzo.
Brownie bit. Oh my god, we ate so much. I am so full. How would you rate this restaurant on a scale of 1 to 10?
7 months pregnant baby.
No, that's not what I asked.
New man on the Minnesota Viking. Truth hurt.
Target check.
Oh no, shut up.
We're going to watch the beach sunset.
These kisses like the free. Her voice sings to me when I'm cold and I hate her cold. She gives me kisses like she needs me, and it's so sweet, cause I know that she doesn't. But I need these kisses like they're free.
I would roast you, but my mom said I'm not allowed to burn trash.
And I hit her calling, and she gives me kisses like she needs me, and it's so.
Hello everyone, so today we're going to Marco Island. Hopefully we can go to the beach. I don't know, we're just gonna visit. We don't really know what to expect.
So sweet because I know that she doesn't. See, well, I keep my guard up in case you let me down. No, but you can't blame that. I wasn't always around. See, I keep my guard up because
Look at all the activities you can do. And then there's dolphin watching if you over there. They take you out.
we're the ones run away. Run away.
Think that we went in the ocean, but it's all rain. It's just rain. And we just ran. We were not covered for like a good 30 minutes.
Until we found this parking. I don't know where this is.
Under an umbrella with 5 people, we were super stuck. Absolutely freezing because we're still wet from the rain in this store with extreme air conditioning. Hello everyone, I haven't vlogged like at all today, but we drove 3.5 hours and we're finally eating. We didn't even eat lunch. We're eating those pizzas. What? We're at Walmart. I'm getting a pasta salad. The pizza was delicious because he ate 5.5 pieces, so obviously it was delicious. Happy are you? So we made it to Disney Springs. Hopefully we get to see some concerts and stuff. So how was this trip overall?
Very good.
What was your favorite day?
When I wasn't with you.
We're at Zara and these jeans are so cute.
You know who you are. I'd like for you to try this out.
Everyone, so today is the day I've been dreading for because summer vacation is over. I come home and then I work every single day before school starts, but like 2 days or something. So we're gonna go eat breakfast. It's super sad, but I've had the best time here. And this is our hotel. It's the same as the first night. Super messy because we just slept.
Sundown, it's all a waste and I know. Can't see the end and I know. She be here waiting, I'll be here waiting. I'll be here waiting and waiting, and she got me. Hold up. Dopamine got me feeling like I gotta run. Need a